Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change your email address on the Crunchyroll application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the last icon down below, which is the account option. And after that, click on the second option, change email. Here you should type in your new email address. And after that, confirm your new email by typing it in again. And then you should type in your current password. If you are done with all these steps, you should tap on change email. And then you will be able to change your email address on this application. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.